Hello everybody, welcome to this video about ultrasonic sensors. Similar to radar units, ultrasonic sensors help to determine speed and distance through sound waves. Well, in radar it is radio waves, and in ultrasonic sensors it is sound waves. As a part of ADAS system, it is generally used at low speeds and short distance, and applications like park assist, self-parking and blind spot detection or short distance applications, so naturally they use ultrasonic sensors. Now, ultrasonic sensors work according to the sonic altimeter principle, with which, for example, also bats orient themselves. The sensors send out short ultrasonic impulses, which are reflected by barriers. The echo signals are registered by sensors and evaluated by central control unit. Now, this briefly suggests how exactly the ultrasonic sensor works. Now, let's see where exactly it is used. Ultrasonic sensors are primarily used in parking assist and self-parking systems. As I already mentioned, self-parking and parking systems are short-range applications, so ultrasonic sensors are used there. And these sensors are positioned inside the front and rear bumper covers, utilizing high-frequency sound waves to identify people, automobiles, and other projects within proximity to the car. Okay, and as I mentioned in one of the sorry, that was about radar. Now, because of its small size, it can be fitted right behind the bumper. And sonar sensors also detect whether the vehicle is properly positioned within the parking space. If this feature detects that the car is outside of an appropriate zone, it will sound a warning tone or move into a more appropriate position using brake control. There are also ultrasonic sensors in airbag control systems, and these work by emitting a burst of ultrasound when cars' airbags are deployed. This sensor helps to determine the exact location of the occupant. Now let's briefly touch upon the various ultrasonic manufacturers. Texas Instruments, Bosch, Murata, Valeo, Scorpion Automotive Limited, Panasonic, Denso Corporation, Continental, Autoliv, Stancom, Shenzhen, Audiowell Electronics. Now these are all the various worldwide ultrasonic manufacturers, and on the right top you can see a sample picture of the ultrasonic sensors. Now, if you remember, radar also looks a bit same, but usually radar has a bigger surface area, and radar sensors are usually square in have a square shape. But as you can see here, ultrasonic sensors, they have a round shape. Now, if you see this left to bottom, you will understand the various places or various aspects in which ultrasonic sensors fare quite well. Proximity detection, it fares quite well. Let me take this pointer. Proximity detection, it fares well. Sensor cost, it is very low, so it's very advantageous. Sensor size also very low, so it's advantageous. But it cannot detect the speed. It cannot provide the color contrast. Works in snow, fog, rain. Works in bright. Works in dark. Okay, so these are the various uh, advantages of sensors. Now, typical characteristic of ultrasonic sensors is it can work up to 5.5-meter range, even though some modern ultrasonic sensors are claiming a distance of up to 10 meters. And what is the minimum distance? Up to 15 centimeters. So almost up to 15 centimeter close, it can detect the presence of a obstacle without any error. Now, it has a typical weight of 14 grams. Now, what are the various advantages of ultrasonic sensors? They are very fast and robust object detection. Safety level up to ASIL B. Now, what is ASIL B? I'll be explaining to you when I come to functional safety. ASIL B, for right now, you understand that ASIL stands for Automotive Safety Integrity Level, which is ASIL is actually an acronym, and ASIL is one of the important aspects of the functional safety, a standard by which you design a component. So here it is mentioned that ultrasonic sensors are designed up to ASIL B. Now, why it is ASIL B, why it not ASIL D or ASIL C, that you will understand when I come to functional safety. But for now, you understand that ASIL B is slightly less stringent. Okay, it's a very less stringent level. That's why they use ultrasonic sensors. Now, scalable platform concept offers maximum flexibility. Systems solutions can be precisely tailored to individual vehicles. Now, because of smaller size, they can be precisely tailored to individual vehicles. I mean, there's no necessity to make a common design for several vehicles. Because of its small size and scalability facility, you can customize your ultrasonic design for every car or every vehicle. Now, highly integrated vehicle control unit, ASIC, enables functions to easily understand into the central control unit or into standalone control unit. Small installation, volume and variable connector design facilitate the installation in the bumpers.